Yes, y'all. Welcome back. We are live at the Struggle Network. It's your host, the Struggle Chef, aka Chef Trouble. And you already know, man, we got another video here. It's the barbecue series. We got some grilled lamb, nice, easy marinade for you. You know, something simple. You read the title, you see the thumbnail. So, yeah, let's work. Well, all right, y'all. Welcome back. Yeah, we got another one, some marinated grilled lamb. And we're going to start with our marinade right now. We got some fresh herbs, some rosemary, some thyme, some parsley. You know, we're going to just chop it up finely. Just get it together. You know, if you like lamb or if you don't like lamb and you don't like because it's gamey or whatever like that, this marinade right here will take it, knock that right out. You know, a lot of herbs, some fresh herbs and some garlic, you know, olive oil, you know, just add some lemon juice. That alone right there will take all that gaminess out. You know, work with me. You dig? So we're gonna chop our herbs up finely, and just get it in a container. You know, whatever you doing, you can put it in a Ziploc bag, whatever. It doesn't matter. And yeah, just get our fresh herbs together. We're gonna get our garlic in there now. And the full recipe is gonna be on thestrugglecafe.com. Y'all already know. We're going to get our zester together, you know, get our lemon. We're going to zest about half a lemon. We're going to get our zest all over the place, struggling all crazy. I can hear Chef Jean-Pierre now. My friends, don't be a ding-dong. So, just get it in there the way you can get it in there. It's all good. I'm going there with some fresh garlic. Got about 3-4 cloves, I guess. You could use the paste if you want, but when it comes to lamb, like I said, you know, to get that gaminess out, I like to use fresh ingredients. Fresh garlic, fresh lemon, fresh herbs. You know, if you gotta do what you gotta do what you gotta do. But just, you know, this marinade is fairly simple. All my recipes are fairly simple. If I can do it, you can do it. Trust me. Get that lemon juice in there. Now it's time to get our seasoning. I got, you know, about roughly 3.5 pounds of lamb, about 2 racks. So I'm going about 3 teaspoons of kosher salt. You know, I'm throwing some garlic powder in there. You know, I might be ODing a little bit with the garlic flavor, but it might seem that way, but trust me. You know, it's lamb. Need some garlic. Need that extra garlicky taste. I'm gonna have some onion powder. About a tablespoon of each. You know, like I said, I got 2 racks and they're already Frenched. You know, but I'm still going to trim the fat and the silver skin off. Going there with about a teaspoon of cumin. You already know I don't like cumin like that, but, you know, certain dishes do call for it. And lamb is one of those. So, yeah. Got some chili powder. You know, just spicing it up a little bit, about a half a teaspoon. You could throw more if you like it a little bit more spicy. It actually tastes a little bit better if it has more chili powder in. But you know, I got kids. You know, fresh cracked black pepper. Much as you want, as little as you want. You know, I like to go a little OD on it. And that garlic infused olive oil. I've been using this a lot, you know, because it tastes, it's amazing with a marinade, especially with lamb. Couple teaspoons, about 2 for each rack of lamb. Yeah, sesame seed oil, couple dips, not that much because I don't want it to overpower the marinade. It will. Now this is optional. You know, you could throw in some Dijon mustard. I think Dijon mustard and lamb is like, you know, it's like peanut butter and jelly. So I'm throwing that in. You don't have to if you don't want to. Just mixing it up. And it was a little clumpy because I threw the Dijon mustard in there. But I'm just going to throw couple teaspoons of soy sauce just to loosen it up. You know, because I want to make sure I got enough marinade for both my racks. Not that much. Just a couple teaspoons. Mix it up. Just make sure it's not all super clumpy. Yeah, this marinade, I'm telling you, it's simple. Seems like a lot of ingredients, but it's really not. Especially if you got all your ingredients lined up, ready to go. You know, you follow the directions, the instructions. You'll be all right. You don't need the exact seasoning that I use. If you want some Cajun seasoning, you want some, you know, something else, do that too. Don't really matter. So yeah, like I said, my rack's already Frenched, which means that, you know, the bones and everything are trimmed already, so I don't really have to worry about that. But there's a lot of fat on it, and when you're grilling the lamb, you know, that fat can render, and then it can just start flaming up like crazy. So I'm gonna chop as much as I can off. You know, part of my horrible knife skills. I know somebody's cringing right now. I did not chop my fingers off. We all good. Just wanted to get some of that fat off, you know, the back. Cause like I said, that, you know, touches the fire, it'll flame up like crazy. I did have some flare up, but you know, since we're cooking indirectly, we know where our charcoal is. You know what I'm saying? So it's not like we can't move the lamb away. You know, we're good. And I lost the footage of me putting the marinade on the rack of lambs, but I mean, it's not rocket science. Y'all got this. Just, you know, rub it all over your lamb. Now, you can marinate this for up to, you know, overnight if you want. You know, I just marinated it for maybe an hour and a half. That was it. You know, got my grill up to temp. Like I said, we're cooking indirectly, so our charcoal's on one side of the grill. You know, clean up our grate. There you go. You know, charcoal on one side, 2 zones. We're getting our grill ready, got our lamb together. I'm looking for my thermometer, even though it's sitting right in front of me, right on the table. So I got my putting my lamb on, but I really want to put it directly on the fire because I just want to get it charred up on all sides. You know, even the sides. And like I said, you're going to get some flare up. If you have some, don't worry about it. Be cool, be patient. We know where the charcoal is. We know where the fire is. We can just move it to the side. It's all good. You know, see, got a little flare up. I ain't scared. I ain't ducking no smoke. You know, we've been doing this for centuries. Cooking over the open fire. So we'll start flaring up crazy. Just like I said, just move it to the side. You know where your smoke is. You know where your fire is. But I'm just charring up, you know, every side as I possibly can without setting my lamb on fire. So yeah, like I said, I'm just charring it up every side, getting my grill marks on there, you know, searing it up. And then I'm just going to stick my thermometer in and just set it to 150. That's all you need to do. Real simple. You know, if you don't have a thermometer, I would say, you know, cook it for about maybe 15, 20 minutes, depending on how rare you like your lamb. If you like it all the way rare, I say about, you know, 10 minutes or so indirectly. If you like it a little bit, you know, medium, I say 15 minutes. If you like it well done, I say 20, 25. You know, we're not judging. Yeah, so there we go. Got them grill marks on it. About to flip them and just set them to the side and let them come up to temp. Yeah, see, y'all thought they was on. Y'all thought they was burnt. Y'all thought them things was on fire when y'all seen that flare up. Don't lie. But we good. Like I said, we struggle, but we don't struggle. Yeah. And that's how it's supposed to look, you know. Get your thermometer in, put it in there, set it to I set it to 150. You know, some people like to set it to 135 and then let it rest. And then some people like it all the way well done. You know, set it to 155, 160, and then let it rest. Now, I made a big mistake. You know, I'm watching, you know, the games or whatever, and I left. I forgot about it, and that thing was beeping for a couple. So it came up to about 155, a little bit too overcooked for me personally, but it came out, you know, almost on point. See, like to some people that's overcooked, you know, and to some people that's, you know, not cooked enough. So it depends on how you like it. I like mine just like a nice pink center, you know, nice perfect lamb chop. You know, we gonna slice it up. You already know what we do at the end of these videos. We smooth it out. I got some yogurt sauce that I made when I made some chicken shawarma the other day. And, I'm just testing that out. And wow, it was good, man. I'm telling you, grilled lamb, you can't beat it. You can make some red wine sauce. You can have some Dijon on the side, some mint jelly. We got some mashed potatoes, some grilled broccoli. And that's how it's supposed to look, man. Nice pink center. Like I said, you like it a little bit more cooked than that, cook it longer. When you got to the end of the video, you know what it is. Thanks for watching. If you liked it, you didn't like it, you modified it, you didn't modify it, let us know in the comments, man. Like and subscribe. We are out here. You know where we at. Peace.